Hi guys, this is me and women. So what's your video? This is me, and I'm actually usually got in the university so yeah, I was playing Minecraft and I just jumped okay. So this is remaining. So guys, you guys hear that? I'm a YouTuber. Beep! Okay, I'm gonna show you. What is this? I want to climb up to the moon if we can and jump on the moon if we can. That sounds weird. Beep! No! No! I hate climbing ladders. Ladders! Oh, wow. I nearly died from the vegan. One here. That's really good. One here. So there. No, it failed. Okay, I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. Oh, no, the candle. Oh, no. There's something like that. Candle? Dropped. Can I get in that one? Yeah, I have. Oh man, it's gonna fly. I can't leave this side of that. Oh no, I'm about like the other ship. I know the speed was so fast. I was actually multiple speed mode. And no! I broke my. Oh no! I broke my. It's so stupid that like. Oh no! I hate like on the computer break just like sticks, just sticks. I can make one ship now. What a shame! Actually, yeah. I made one more shovel. That's pretty nice. One. Okay, this is. Guys, I don't really know what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to play around in my world and have fun and do everything. I'll die, I'll get killed, I will sit in this boat, I will die so much. And oh, look at the sun rising. And I guys, I know this is the middle of the night right now and there's nothing. I'm tired of how? Okay, I'm actually done. Last time my video crashes. This time my boat crashes. What a shame.